Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to install Snapchat app on Samsung Galaxy A36. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on Play Store app. After click on Play Store app and click on search and search Snapchat. And if you want to install Snapchat app, click on install. You will see your app is installed according to your internet connection. So you will see app is installed. So you will see your app is installed 61%. App is installed 92%. You will see app is installed. After installing app, you will see app is showing on your home screen. Sorry, app screen. So after the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can install Snapchat on Samsung Galaxy A36. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.